Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys laptop setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable night light on laptop. Friends, you want to enable night light on your laptop, so how to enable and use. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you want to enable night light on your laptop, so how to enable. Friends, click on start button guys, we will click here. Friends, setting we will on. After on setting, friends, click on display setting first, click here. Friends, first you can see brightness setting. Friends, you want to adjust your brightness, you can adjust friends your brightness. You can left side friends you can decrease, right side friends you can increase your laptop brightness. Second option friends, you can see night light. So friends, click here. So friends, you want to on night light, so you can on from here. After on guys, your night light brightness friends you can decrease left side, and friends you can increase right side. So guys, when you use your laptop at night, so you should on your night light mode setting. After on means enable, you can use, you can look at easily on your laptop, and friends you can adjust this night light brightness. Friends, we want to schedule your night lights friends is off, so we will click here. Friends, you can set time schedule, you can set your schedule night light mode time guys. So when you will off, so direct friends now you can on from here, and you can turn off from here. So like that way we can enable and use night light mode on our laptop guys. And friends, direct friends you can find this setting as click on phone setting, direct friends search here night light setting. So I search here night light. Hence you can see night light friends, direct click here. Direct friends you can enable and you can use the night light. So I hope friends you've understood how to enable and use night light on laptop. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, if you went out related to guys your laptop and PC, so friends you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.